Hello, this is Richard Carranza here with Houston Energy Industry News, and I am attending the Energy Drone Conference in the Woodlands, Texas. And today I am meeting with Fred Bedard. And Fred, I will let you introduce yourself, your company, and tell us a bit about your product.
Yes, Fred Bedard here. I'm the Business Development Manager for Commaris. And today here at the show we're introducing our new UAV. It's an industrial commercial version of a VTOL aircraft, especially made for long distance inspections, power lines, pipelines, such as oil and gas, rail lines, and for surveillance because it can stay in the air 3+ hours. So you get a long endurance. And also, with regards to its speed, it can fly up to 60 miles an hour. So it can cover a lot of territory in a very quick time. So for those long inspections that take miles and miles of territory, we can do it very, very quickly. And if you wanted to take a shot of the aircraft, I can point out a few things. The aircraft itself can be assembled and disassembled in 3 minutes, so it can be carried out into the field very, very quickly. The total airframe without batteries is got a weight of 24 pounds. It's completely made out of carbon fiber, and so it is very light and very, very durable. Can withstand a lot of G-force, and as you can see, we have 4 motors here, and so its takeoff and landing is in a vertical ascent and descent, so it needs a very small footprint to launch and to recover. Once it's in the air, the pusher prop here turns on.
And let me get over there. Okay.
And so once the pusher prop starts to go forward, like I said, it can go up to 62 miles an hour. And it also is a very key aspect of this machine. It is very quiet. At 500 feet, it's virtually silent. So flying over residential or near residential or over livestock areas, it doesn't spook people or horses or cattle. So it's extremely quiet. It does have a variety of payloads. Right here is a gimbal camera. It's got a 30x zoom, and it's also got an infrared camera on it too. So both cameras are operable by the ground control unit over there on the table. It does have like an aircraft or an airplane. It has a pitot tube. That pitot tube feeds us air data, such as we can calculate wind speed, we can calculate temperature, we can calculate barometric pressure. That allows the flight computer to make basically adjustments. So if we're flying a mission in a straight line and there's a crosswind, the computer will tell the aircraft to what we call crab, meaning turn in an angle to keep going on a straight line to compensate for the crosswind. So all of that is done automatically within the flight computer itself. So where's that little control panel you were talking about? Over there on the desk, you can see the map. So the aircraft is actually flown without a joystick. The pilot will complete his flight plan on the computer before the actual mission is launched. So once the mission is launched, the pilot sits here and basically can watch from the camera and can watch the aircraft fly its mission. So on here you'll see different ground points and so forth. It will fly to different ground points. If he wants to stop, we can stop the aircraft, have it fly in a circle, change its flight plan, and let it continue on.
But there's no joystick, so how do you do that?
Well, the joystick is not with this. We can do it all by programming. I can get the little waypoints there.
Oh, so once it's on its way, it's on program, and that's it.
Yeah, unless you want to stop it, and by stopping it, you basically fly in a circle. If there was a joystick attached, then you can take over manually. but it's so efficient and so powerful in the sense of its compute and navigation capabilities. It's all done automatically.
Heck, you can just program it and just let it go.
Exactly.
That's nice.
So what we can do is program different locations and tell it to fly a grid pattern based on whatever the spacing and requirements you need. Like on that video right there, it was flying a grid pattern over the farm. So this can be preset or pre-calculated out, and he's doing it right now.
Oh, he is, yeah. And there he goes. That's very nice. It's a very attractive plane. And I think some of the colors that you use may have helped.
Yeah, aerodynamically, it's a very slick and fast plane. That's where we get the speed out of it based on its design.
Well, that sounds pretty good. What's the name of your company again?
Commaris.
Commaris. And your name is?
Fred Bedard.
Fred Bedard.
Business Development Manager for Commaris. And this is the secret.
Fred, it's been a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you for giving me this interview.
All right. Thank you, Richard.
All right,
Pleasure.
mate. Bye-bye.